Hello everyone and welcome to a new episode of my series. PlayStation 5 is almost out and we all know how the console is going to look like and what's its top features. But there's one thing I want you to know, and it's what's going to happen to your PlayStation 5 for the first time you turn it on. What will you see on your display? So let's watch it together. How sick is this little animation? It will only happen once, so make sure you don't miss it out, and I'll see you next time in my next video. Peace!